Hey team, welcome back to Tread Strong Fitness. I'm Lainey and today I've got a awesome 10-minute run walk interval workout lined up for you. If you're short on time but you still want a powerful cardio session, this is perfect for you. We're going to mix up the intervals of running and walking to build strength, endurance, and speed. Plus, it's just the right mix to keep you challenged and coming back for more. All you'll need is your treadmill, a positive attitude, maybe a bottle of water, and we're good to go. So remember, this workout is all about pushing yourself, listening to your body. So take what you need, leave the rest, and let's get our warm up started. Let's go. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's start our treadmills and let's ease into it with a walk. So set your incline at a 1 and your speed anywhere between a 2.5 to a 3.5, 4. We want a nice brisk walk. We want to get those muscles working. So settle in, take a deep breath. Shake off whatever you have on your mind. Right now, it's all about you and this treadmill. So we're starting off with a nice comfortable walk to warm up our legs, get our heart rate up, and set the tone for what's to come. We are doing intervals. We've got about 10 seconds before we start with our warm-up jog. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's kick it up a notch. We want anywhere between a 4 to a 6. Keep that incline at a 1. This is your time to find your rhythm. So let your feet hit that belt slow. I can't talk today. So let your feet hit that belt softly. Imagine you're running on the clouds. Nice, light on your feet. Use this minute to settle in and get ready for those intervals ahead. If you're feeling any tightness, shake it out. Keep that core engaged. A strong core means less energy wasted and better endurance. Visualize it now. You're settling in that foundation for a solid run. First interval. Let's go. Bring that speed, that incline to a 5. And that speed anywhere between a 5 and a 7. Less than a minute. You've got this. Dig in. Less than 35 seconds. This is where we build strength. I want you to feel your quads and your glutes firing up as you climb. Imagine yourself powering up that hill outside, pushing through, step by step. Core tight to support that form. Arms pumping, driving you forward. You are strong, you are powerful. We're almost there. 1, bring it down. Bring down that speed. Bring down that incline. 2 a 1. And your speed back to that brisk walk. Great job. We've definitely earned that first recovery. I want you to notice how you're feeling. This walk is a chance to recharge before we pick it up again. So stay relaxed, shake out that tension, and get ready for that next push. We're bringing that incline to a 4 this next time, and we're bringing that speed slightly faster. So if you were at a 5, bring it to a 5.5. If you were at a 6, 6.5. Wherever you are, bring it up 0.5. Let's go. Incline, we said, at a 4. Speed, back up Got a minute here, so let's push. Nice. There you go. You've got this. Whew. This one's a little bit faster, but you've got it. Push yourself, trust yourself. Imagine you're racing to that finish line. Goals in sight. Time to reach for it. Focus on keeping that form tight. Quick feet, strong arms, controlled breathing. Eyes forward. Breathe in, chin up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that speed back down and your incline down to a 1. Back to our recovery walk. If you took a little too much off like I did, you can bring it back up. Remember, strong, brisk walk. We don't want to bring that heart rate down too much. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. You're awesome. I want you to think about why you're here today. Whatever your goal is, you're already crushing it. Every step you take is progress. So roll your shoulders back. Let go of everything and prepare to go again. We're bringing an incline up to a 6. And 2, 1. Incline to a 6. Let's go. Now, the speed doesn't have to go up as fast as last time. So anywhere between 4.5 to a 6.5. This time, it's all about the climb. That's where you need to find that inner strength. I know it's challenging, but we've got this. Whew. Adjust your speed. You may need to go a little faster or maybe a little slower to get up this hill. 20 seconds left to go. We're climbing that mountain. There's a gorgeous view waiting for you at the top. Swing those arms. Let them drive you up. 3, 2, 1. Bring that pace back down to a brisk walk. Incline back down to a 1. Take that time to breathe. In 2, out 2. You're doing fantastic. Focus on that calming breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Nice and controlled. Check in. How's your energy? How's your form? These recovery moments are just as important as those intervals. They are what keep you strong for the next push. Help you reset. Help you focus. I think we got one more and we're done with our pushes. All right, we're going to set our incline at a 3. Let's do it. Incline at a 3. Speed back up to anywhere between a 5 and a 7. Okay. Once you've found your speed, dig in. Last 30 seconds. That's all you got to do is push here. I want you to leave it all on this treadmill. Imagine yourself sprinting down that home stretch. Finish line is right in front of you. Push through. Focus on your breath. Drive those knees up. Keep pushing. You've come this far, so let's finish strong. That's it. Nice job. Into our cool down we go. brisk walk. Let that treadmill come down. Take a second to just breathe. Amazing job today. You came in, you pushed hard, and now it's time to recover. Let's bring that heart rate down slowly, allowing your body to cool off. Just take in the moment. You did it. Let that sense of accomplishment sink in. Okay, that was the end of our workout. When you step off the treadmill, remember what you did today. Take a moment to stretch. If you're moving on to a next workout, you can stretch after. Just remember, you're getting stronger, fitter, and more resilient with every step you take. Thank you for joining me today. As always, remember to hit subscribe, leave your comment, send me your sweaty selfie, tag me in any of the socials. Run strong, tread strong. Bye, everybody.